Okay, so typically the answer says to round to the nearest tenth. So this one would be 19.3. And that would be that side length. And it does make sense that X would be a little bigger than 13 because it is the longer leg. All right, let's try one more. In this bottom picture, again, it says to solve for X. We see that we're given this acute angle, 32. And what do we know? We know the opposite side is 11. We need to know the adjacent, opposite and adjacent. So again, we're going to use tangent. Tangent of 32 equals SOHCAHTOA, opposite over adjacent. Now, when you have an x or the variable in the denominator, here's the long way. You multiply by x, we multiply by x, because we've got to get it out of the denominator. That got rid of that, but now let's look at the left side. Now x is being multiplied by tangent 32. So we undo that by dividing by tangent 32. And so we divide this side. Now remember, the x's are gone, so we have 11 divided by tangent 32. Basically, it's x equals 11 over tangent 32. Now, can you remember what we started with? If you can look at the blue, we had tangent, I'm going to make it red, 32 equals 11 over x. And now look what we have. X equals 11 over tangent 32. So what I like to do is call it a switcheroo. When you see a variable as the denominator, we're going to do a switcheroo. The x is going over there, and the tangent 32 is coming under here. So let's look at this one more time, and we'll call it the switcheroo. And I do love for you to say that, so be ready. Again, when we first started, we did the tangent of 32 equals SOHCAHTOA, opposite over adjacent. And when you see a variable in the denominator, we're going to do a switcheroo. Think of it as a switcheroo. And what that is x comes over here equals 11 over tangent 32. And the nice thing is that whole quantity can be put into the calculator. You press 11 divided by tangent 32 and hit enter. And you get 17.6. And once again, that makes sense because x in this case is the longer leg, so it needs to be longer than 11. All right, great job. Hope that helps.